Asibonge kakhulu Honorable Lubombo. Nginabuta nama a few questions before ngikunikete Honorable Minister. Siyabonga umsebenzi omuhle kule first quarter. Manje ngijabulele ngibona ukuthi banike 90 million na 769. Ngafisa kwathi nje ukuthi why nisebenzise imali lencane ethi besiyidinga kangaka imali kule ministry. And then two, bengifuna ukuchecka nje sebayikhulumisile bahlonishwa indzaba yokuthi PS wabhala i-cabinet paper. Ngifuna ukuchecka ukuthi i-disciplinary process le yendekile lapho. Ngiyafisa kwathi lama results nangabe yendekile nangabe ingenteki ayikendekileni. And then three, ngifuna ukuchecka kule loan ya 1.2 billion. Lo seyikuphi le process. Sikathile thina ngale ka finance. Lo sikhona kunibambisa sibambise nale institution ya EPTC. Kule issue lama issues abo. Government in your hand, pension underfunding. Ngiyathi lapho nje ngethemba na MD lomusha kukhona ukwenda kulaba be pension yakatheni ngilengakhuli ngenyanga ukuthi abane kubabambisa nje lokho lokuncane. Seyindzaba yaka RSTP sebayikhulumisile bahlonishwa kakhulu. Bengifuna ukuchecka nje ukuthi kude nendlela mhlambe minister nangenta asekhonde umuntu say for 2 years bese abe enda le process ye recruitment. But kungeme nje like asho Honorable Shaba ukuthi kunemali esayifaka head 60 ngilo yilapho kale institution siyafisa ukuthi ikhule. Nenzaba ke ukuthi kunengi lokulapha laba sireportela kona lokungahambi kahle. Lothi kunema employees labhadalwako ima salaries abangekho lapha. Kunema employees lasusa kubo reception na transfer kwa procurement. Labanye na ukubuka ama qualifications bahola kakhulu kunebantu laba qualified. Nalabanye babasebenzele inkampani yakathatha IT abazange bathole ema salaries abo. Bakhona khona lapha ka ICT. Mhlambe wes4 ngamhlambe i-question langayibuta ka Escom but ngiyibuta ku Honorable Minister ukuthi kunema departments lapha yaka cyber crime neyaka data protection lokuthi bangena kanjani ka Escom. Nangaba nema data breaches nje angale ka Escom ngibani lo ngachaja Escom like nala ka cyber crime nangaba nema cyber issues la committwa ngulo Escom ngibani lo ngachaja Escom. Why bangabeke ama standalone entities or parastatals. And then seyindzaba EPTC kune house resolution njengoba sebashilo bahlonishwa siyafuna ibe implemented njengoba yaphuma. Asikuthandzile lesikuvako sesishayela kulabantwana laba lesa resolve kibo ukuthi sebathathwe kanjani sikuthathwe pension yabo. Nangabe angakhona minister ku implement house resolution angabuye eParliament asho ukuthi akakhonileni. Siyacela nje leyo ni close asifuna ukuphindze shayela kulabantwana. And then nenzaba yale partnership ya ERS na EPTC maboss siyayitfokotela kakhulu besifisa ngathi ingachubekela nasezinkundleni. Sinetinkundla tiningi space lesiningi lapha ne basinike khona le service singahambi lama distance nalama boss akekho closer lekithi but letinkundla sabe of them tilekithi. Nekuthi ke siyawathanda lama initiatives especially partnership ya MTN kule le service yabo ya dokotela na Phuthumani couriers. Sekufisa kwathi nje ukuthi ngabe mhlambe ngeexperience yami yaseboss ukuthi ikhona le budget le enough le ngale ka Phuthumani kumthengela leti moto. Mhlambe lenye operationalization of research council ngithi ngathi speed sincane kakhulu hamba kancane nje kanti research council sidinga kakhulu. University ngayikhona ukusebenza ngenxa yokuthi kude. So siyacela ukuthi kuphuthume lokho asebenze mbamba. Nenzaba yama internet outages, especially kulama lekubo home affairs bavame kwanze abantu sebamile bathi hayi internet sehambile. Naleka works nyalo sekune system labayisebenzisa ko le CTA. Kuyema yini le banga lama internet outage singawa resolve kanjani ngaphinzi nje kwendeke ukuthi network ihambile abantu basuke engukutheni baya lapha bamile lapha kufuthi abajike babuyele emuva ukuthi internet kuthiwa yikho. Kukhona icompany lesi-approachile noma liswati lesi lanikela iplatform yakwakha ama-IDs nama-birth certificates yayinikela for free bathi 4 million kodwa kungoba operationalize asathi ukuthi le siyafisa kwadi ukuthi ayi-operationalize ngani. Mhlambe igcina nje ukuthi siyafisa onke lama-parastatals lakhona kube bede lethola isubvention. Kuchashe abantu laba-capable kulawo ma-parastatals bakhe imali bentesho ukuthi lama-parastatals ase-sustainable. Sithi le mali yema-subventions sifuna kuyisebenzisa le ka-RDF. So le kufaka abangani bethu nje nabo bani lekulama ukuthi babe bo-CEO asekuthanze ngenhliziyo yethu sonke. So siyafisa nje ukuthi kugcine nje kulomnyaka. Nasichubeka kufaka abantu aba-capable bakhe imali. Bekubukile nje lapha kaSwazi TV ukuthi kutaba ne-partnership na-ERS na bakolege yabo TV license. Bangenothola isubvention. Siyacela lokhu ukuchubeka ngiyafisa nokuthi sekuhambe kangakanani leyo process leyo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sitawuniketa minister sitamniketa 5 minutes. Aphendule 5 minutes bese lala kunye utasilethela i-writing. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, and thank you, members, for your questions and well thought through questions. Lamanye Chair ayafana so ngeke ngisasho ukuthi achamuka kubani ngoba isikhathi sonke only 5 minutes, so let me just figure out which ones are bulked together. Siyabonga itindzaba tabo CEO. I can announce to Libandla ukuthi ESC board is finalizing indzaba ya CEO ka ESTV so khona CEO ka RSTP board ithe itawuqalela phansi le process ngoba ithinga ukuthi ngabacabanga bathi it's the best thing to do going forward. Indzaba ya government in your hand bashonishwa, we would love to hire a company but ngiyabona ukuthi made futhi dincane kangakanani. To hire people from the outside is difficult. Lokunye lokutasi sita is the issue ukuthi simele le loan ase World Bank emhlonishwa. Vele kade sikhuluma ngayo niyathi ke nabashontsha ukuthi ama loans do not noma ngikhuluma ngayo this last quarter kusho ukuthi ayithola this quarter lase sifike khona ukuthi laba se DC lapho itifunya khona imali sabativumile sefuna ke sibambisana nabaka finance ngoba ngibo laba sebaphusha le ncola phambili ukuthi basibambise ukuthi le loan ithi ibe approved. This is also going to be able to deal ngenzaba bekhulwa ngumhlonishwa princess lapha 10 minutes ukuthi how do we get lama pension funds nani leyo mali leyo ikhona la khathi nayo ngalento yokuthi power to be able for us to power a government in your hand siyente on a shoestring budget, a government in your hand. Now being able to get this money, Chair, start white lokuthi sifake more programs and actually get it to be able to work more and be more proactive. Lokunye sifuna ukuthi government in your hand are really remove the reliability on too much ema office. Asisho kusema office ngeke asebenze Chair but sithi mayokungaba kuhle ukuthi njengoba nje ubhadala la gas nani nako lokhu ukwende si finalize a relationship nakaba ERS lokuthi ukwadi lokuthi one ubhadalele I revenue khona la cingweni but also lamaposini and hopefully in the future khona betinkundleni Chair as you are requesting and rightly so. Lokunye Chair lenisipute kona indzaba yokuthi the other thing is not get up by the way ngale loan Chair, just so that you know. I think about 857 schools in the country and about 214 hospitals/clinics sifuna kufaka nakhona le free Wi-Fi ngoba siya understand ukuthi tikolo they really need le nakhona le free Wi-Fi. Senivile ukuthi in the past couple of years besifocus etinkundleni ngase sifuna etikolweni and those particular areas. MTN tilikhuni bazalwana ngoba MTN is a private company, but siyabakhulumisa on many of these things asikhathali kubakhulumisa. In fact, we've gotten to the point na MTN lapho sesingama partners in other things njengale ndzaba nje livestock tracking ngale monetization ngale TrueMed, so bahlonishwa asikhathali kusikhulume nabo ngendzaba yema cost nangendzaba yokuthi kwentekalani ngalama programs abo. Njengale Free Sunday njena, it was a program that they put together to try and attract people who don't use titincingo kakhulu, but siyakhuluma ngabo siyabonga bahlonishwa ukuthi bakwadi ukuthi sikhulume ngalendzaba lena. Even there is a mushrooming of online players, Mhlonishwa, and what we're trying to do and try to get to is to figure out lokuthi how do we track them down and ensure lokuthi bayaregister ngoba uyathi Mhlonishwa ukuthi wonke umuntu ku-media they must register ne-IMD to be recognized in the country ukuthi they're supplying services. Lokunye lokubutiwe honorable chair indzaba yaka EPT sesikhuluma ndzaba ye-pension indzaba ye-major isesibanje imali chair, as I said ibudget yethu incane vele, but we would like ukuthi le consultant icede so that we can be able to get to this. But I do want to mention, honorable chair, ukuthi le ndzaba ye-major ngenteka ukuthi ithathe longer because i-major phela inalalo ukuthi futhi bese cabanga ndzaba ukuthi bantu baduke ama-pension abo nani and it's underfunded kule area lena sentinkinga vele, so we're trying to figure that out first as well before singene indzaba njengale yaposini ukuthi iposini i-pensions fike lapha sikhona njena Mhlonishwa ngoba there was an underfundedness the time liposi lisuka from being a department liba parastatal 7 years kunganakhunjwa submitwa emalona submissions, my pension submissions. So, and I think sometimes I'm a price titles. Thinking at the sometimes the transmission by issue, but EPTC is a direct example of what goes wrong if you do the merger or the separation to a parastatal, but you nisingani timali take loan. Mhlonishwa. Lenye le butiwe lenza by under le youth issue. I think it's an important one. If nasi khulume even nani bahlonishwa ukuthi how do we deal with this? Vele ngiqinisile amabhlela amaningi are saying ukuthi abantwana who are under 16 should not be having access to certain sites and certainly not being able to access leti abantu abadzala. Indzaba cyberbullying le khulunywa ngumhlonishwa wakithi leke elibombo. There is a law let's now kwenteke umuntu uthole ukuthi bakucyberbullyishile, you can go kune cyber security law ne data law ukuthi ungaya ukuthi it's a criminal act. I think bahlonishwa babone nyalo ukuthi ngathi kunemuntu wase FNB lo ngathi uyabuka ngamaphoyisa nemthetho ukuthi ukhiphe information yalomunye la I think ngama bank accounts, I'm not quite sure ukuthi yini, but vele lo mthetho uyaqala lokusebenta. I-critical infrastructure bill bahlonishwa seyihambe kakhulu sesesenate nje manje simele ukuthi bona ngathi batayi workshop kulamalanga lesikuwo so that they can be able to come back to us ukuthi how do we then take it forward ukuthi sisente ilona siyente umthetho lokunye bahlonishwa ntsaba ama computer esikolweni. We are always working about education because we do realize lokuthi badinga ukuthi sibambisane and nabo tishela siyazama ukuthi simakethe through i-Ministry of Education even lama classes nika abo tishela nema students for free ukuthi phela can they please take those up so that nabo batokwazi ukuthi babe more resourced for their students. But government in your hand currently we are 18,500 just for your knowledge. We see with Lama Tracks it's the younger people, but we'd like to be able to say, as I said earlier, nakufika le mali lena hopefully ukuthi itawufika bahlonishwa approve kulo mnyaka lona singakaqedzi umnyaka wenu wa 2026 ngakayi ekhaya. Lenye bahlonishwa I think there are TV. We're doing quite a lot of good things up at TV. I mean, I'd like to just share the bahlonishwa ukuthi kunale program lesiyendana baga DPM lekuthiwa asibambane. I'm so sorry, asibambane. And let's just give you ukuthi the impact ngoba industry must always have impact. we can announce if just the first episode, I think in the next couple of weeks, I think say we've got 20 families that have been reunited. We've got 24 children that are receiving school uniforms, 4 children who've got identity documents which they didn't have, 12 families, 5 to bring families together. We've been able to give farm inputs, farm inputs, which is working also with agriculture. So as ministries wherever the needs are. And so these programs, they're not only for entertainment value, but value. Taiwan, we are also looking into it, and we're hopefully we can continue the conversation with the new ambassador. The other issue, part of this loan is going to help us also with reliable and connectivity. Fiber optic, relationship MTN and 27 calendar year. The conversation so there's some investments that they are looking at in collaboration with players. How do we come together with something that does not take away from the current players but and minimizes costs? That's very important. We've got minimal costs. But the one thing I do want to say it would be so ideal for us as a country with Satiwe as live cost-effective data, live nabantu laba educated means about ICT so that we can prepare our people for the future. Live that is seen as the safest in storing information in Africa. Live line data, infrastructure effective for everybody, and live it's inclusive and also it gives equity to everyone. With the same service. We're really working hard on that, but whilst we don't want to talk about our limitations at Imali, we do a lot as a ministry, very creatively and behind the scenes as Emma Lona, Emma Parastate House in the ministry. But some things we can't do. We can't pull miracles. Sometimes we look about Kunyana. But I can assure you, we are always working very hard to make things happen. Why 69 million? Sometimes challenges budgets, but by the time the money is figure for us to action, because we can't go out and ask for services. But that's reckless. Operations. If you late, sometimes the man like my ministries, but it's as much as we can. By the time you figure, is prepared, but sometimes it figure to the point where it's a bit of a challenge for us going forward.
My responses, Honorable Minister. Sitawucela kuwathola the written one on Monday, 10 a.m. Monday, 10 a.m. Siyabonga kakhulu. Nonke meeting stands adjourned.
Msako